Hey, it's Dr. Linda Davis, and today I wanted to show you a really easy way to convert a PDF document to a Word document. This is really helpful. I, for one, forget to sometimes where I save my Word documents that I then changed into a PDF document. And so if I can't find the original Word document, then it becomes difficult to make changes. So this way will work relatively well. Now, what I have here is a PDF document that's saved to my desktop, and I'm going to launch Microsoft Word. So let me go ahead and do that. So Word's going to come up, and it's just going to be in this form here. And what I'm going to do is minimize this just a bit. And I'm going to go find that desktop PDF that's sitting right here. And all I'm going to do is drag that PDF from my desktop and drop it into my Word, my recent Word documents. And notice it's got the little plus sign on your mouse when you pull it over. I'm going to let go. And it's going to ask you, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. And it's also a little bit of a caveat there. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it may not look exactly like the original PDF. Okay, so they kind of warn you off on that. But I have discovered that most of the time, it's just fine. There may be a few little tweaks you need to make. And like I said, this is my syllabus. It was a PDF only, and now it's a Word document, and I can go in and edit things as I need to throughout. So that's just a really incredibly quick way to convert a PDF document to a Word document. And thank you for your time.